Spend the weekend glamping in Escalante, Utah with us. Escalante is about a 4-hour drive from Salt Lake City, and it's one of the lesser known but epic areas to visit in southern Utah. There's a glamping resort called Yonder, and it is incredible, you guys. There are cabins that you can book. This is a look inside of our cabin that night. There are communal bathrooms that you can use that are so nice. They have towels, they've got shampoo, conditioners, straighteners, blow dryers, everything, as well as a food truck that you can get breakfast and dinner from. And these communal areas that have fire pits, books, games, anything that you need. There are also airstreams that you can stay in that sleep several more than the cabins do. They have RV and sprinter van hookups as well as actual campsites that you can book. The cutest part of this resort is this drive-in movie theater with the classic cars. They play a different movie every night. So cute. There is a beautiful pool and hot tub on the property as well, which is so nice after hiking all day. And you have to check out the shower. When it's the summertime, they take the plexiglass off so you can have a true spa outdoor shower experience. Our first day, we drove the 25 miles out into the middle of nowhere to do peekaboo and spooky slot canyons. These are some of the coolest non-technical slot canyons in Utah, which means that you don't need the ropes in order to do them. What do you find? Are there snacks in there?
You say that you can't, like you write your name in it. Yeah, that's cute. For safety, Amanda.
The trail isn't super well marked, but there are cairns that help you follow the path until you get to the entry of the slot canyon that looks like this. Even though it's a non-technical canyon, you're still going to need to be in good shape and be able to pull your body weight up.
Yeah. There's a little divot here. My idea is bad. It's not good.
This is Peekaboo Canyon, and it is beautiful.
My idea is bad. We might have to give each other a boost.
What if we just run? Oh, yeah, yeah.
Look at you go. Yeah, you go. Go run at it. Hit it running.
That was it, dude. You gotta just go. Okay. Demi. Woohoo!
Yee!
That's not you staying still.
Oh, I'm supposed to stay still.
Yeah, I'm trying something that I saw someone do. Because this is for Renfro.
Wow. That was not the right move.
For the record, we were trying to avoid the massive mud pit that was in the bottom of that particular area.
No mud today.
Genius, that elbow.
It's that elbow, yeah. It's sick.
I would definitely not do this alone. Go with some buddies and be well prepared for any conditions.
I see how people are like, I put my weight there and then I put it here.
How are you doing? Good. Sure you wanted that video? It's a good video.
Wow, I'm sorry.
You got this, Katie.
Thanks, man.
STEM, baby, STEM.
Damn, boo-boos. I'm scared.
You want me to?
Wow.
This is beautiful.
Tommy, I'm not gonna have to do that.
Yep.
You coming, right?
That's right there, you eat it.
So nice.
Oh, it's so nice. It's cute.
These two.
I can hear the boat.
What?
Sounds good.
Once you get out of Peekaboo Canyon, you'll hike a little ways and then you'll enter Spooky, which is much tighter than Peekaboo.
Whoa, Katie, that's so cool. Yeah, no, I know, it's sick. Let's go. He's just so cool. I know, pretty sick. Pretty sick, guys. Ooh. This is legit. Too legit to quit. I can't even do that. Probably for now. It'll come right off. Oh no. They're hurting my mother.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. Don't. Oh. No. Picasso.
Wow.
Katie, do a pose.
Amanda, no.
Want to take your bag?
Yeah, in a sec. And here is where, if you are claustrophobic, this might not be the canyon for you. I didn't get a ton of videos in this one because we were really focusing on getting ourselves through it, but you can see how tight it gets at one point in time from this picture. And then it opens back up on your way out.
Yes, I mean,
On day 2, we did the 6-mile round-trip hike to Lower Calf Creek Falls, where there is the most beautiful waterfall at the end of it. You follow the river the entire trail, and the hike itself is just beautiful.
No, I need it deeper. Like that? Yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's it? Okay. Shit. Me saying, oh yeah, that's nice. As you stretch me, I've never been more embarrassed. Really not.
I'm pretty sure this has to be the best waterfall in Utah, but if there's one better than this, please leave that in the comments.
Oh my gosh. Pretty. So pretty.
And that was our weekend. Thanks for joining.